2 moons, 1 wish. Zara lived on a planet with 2 moons, a shimmering silver one and a deep blue one. Her world was divided into 2 kingdoms, the Silver Realm and the Blue Kingdom. For generations, these kingdoms had been separated, never speaking to one another. In the Silver Realm, Zara learned about science and technology. Her best friend there was a boy named Leo, who loved building incredible machines. In the Blue Kingdom, across the Great Divide, lived Maya, a girl who understood the language of plants and could make flowers bloom with a single touch. Though they lived on the same planet, Zara and Maya had never met. The divide between their kingdoms seemed impossible to cross. One night, during a rare celestial alignment, both moons glowed brightly. Zara discovered an old map in her family's library, a map that showed a hidden path between the 2 kingdoms. At the same moment, Maya found an ancient story about friendship that spoke of a time when both kingdoms were once united. Determined to bridge the gap, Zara and Maya both set out on a journey. Leo helped Zara create a special bridge-building device. Maya used her connection with nature to guide her path through treacherous terrain. Their paths were difficult. Zara navigated through technological challenges, using her skills to overcome mechanical obstacles. Maya communicated with the plants and creatures, finding safe passages through wild landscapes. When they finally met at the center point between their kingdoms, something magical happened. Their different skills complemented each other perfectly. Zara's technology and Maya's natural wisdom created a bridge, not just a physical one, but a bridge of understanding. As they stood together, the 2 moons aligned perfectly overhead. The people from both kingdoms watched in wonder as Zara and Maya showed them that differences could be a source of strength, not division. "We are 2 halves of the same world," Zara said. "2 moons, 1 wish," Maya added. "To understand and care for each other." Their friendship became a legend, teaching both kingdoms that connection matters more than separation. The end.